Okay, in this video we're going to look at an example of finding the equation of a tangent line, and what we're going to do is we're going to find the tangent line to the graph of f of x equals x squared minus 3 at the point 3 comma 6. And again, to do this we can just use a point slope formula, so y minus y1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Well, we know that the point on the graph that we're using is 3 comma 6, so I'm just going to plug in 6 for the y sub 1 value, and then I'm going to plug in 3 for my x sub 1 value. Now the only thing we have to figure out is the slope, but again, to find the slope we just take the derivative, and all we have to do is plug in the x coordinate, which in this case is going to be 3. So the kind of long part here is actually going to be computing the derivative. So alright, well let's do that. So we've got the limit as h goes to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So again, we're just going to use our function here, x squared minus 3. So that's going to give us, well, the limit as h approaches 0. Again, just replace all the x's with x plus h. So we would have x plus h squared minus 3. And then we would have to subtract away the original function, which would just be x squared minus 3. And then all of that will be divided by h. So now we just need to simplify this expression a little bit more. So hopefully it won't be too bad here. So let's see, we would have the limit as h approaches 0. Well, this is x plus h times x plus h. So if you were to distribute that out, we would get x squared, we would get an xh, and then another xh, which would give us, well, 2xh, and then h times h would give us h squared. We've still got our minus 3. If we distribute the negative, we'll get negative x squared plus 3. And again, everything's all over h. So let's see, I think we can cancel out some stuff here. We've got the limit as h goes to 0. We've got x squared minus x squared, so that's gone. We've got a negative 3 plus 3, so that's also gone. We can factor an h out of the numerator. Well, let's see, h times 2x would give us 2xh. And then h times positive h would give us positive h squared. Well, again, we've got h in the denominator. Well, we can just cancel out the h's. Again, you can think about there's being a times 1 in the denominator. And now if we plug in h equals 0,